Ever wondered how we move incredibly thick and challenging fluids with precision and care? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of progressive cavity pumps, exploring their ingenious design and how they handle viscous materials with ease. First, let's understand the key components. At the heart of the pump are two essential parts: the rotor, a single helix, and the stator, a double helix. The rotor, typically made of metal, sits inside the stator, which is usually made of an elastomer. As the rotor turns, it creates a series of sealed cavities that progress from the pump's inlet to its outlet. These cavities trap the fluid. The rotation forces these cavities to move continuously, gently pushing the fluid forward. This unique design ensures a constant, non-pulsating flow, making it ideal for shear-sensitive liquids. This gentle pumping action allows progressive cavity pumps to efficiently transfer materials like thick sludge, honey, and even paint without damaging them. Because of their versatility, you'll find these pumps in wastewater treatment, food processing, chemical industries, and many more applications where handling viscous fluids is critical. So, next time you see a challenging fluid being moved with precision, remember the magic of the progressive cavity pump, a testament to ingenious engineering.